ओके स्टूडेंट, आज अपनी क्लास कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स के लास्ट यूनिट 5 के लास्ट टॉपिक पे है, जो है टूल्स ऑफ प्रेजेंटेशन। टूल्स ऑफ प्रेजेंटेशन मैंने आपको इससे पहले प्रेजेंटेशन के बारे में बताया कि प्रेजेंटेशन क्रिएट कैसे करते हैं, कैसे शो करते हैं, कैसे अपने फियर, अपने हेजिटेशन को कैसे रिमूव करें, क्लासेज, ऑनलाइन क्लासेज अपनी फियर को कैसे रिमूव करें। तो अब बात करते हैं टूल्स ऑफ प्रेजेंटेशन पे। तो टूल्स ऑफ प्रेजेंटेशन में सबसे पहले अपने लिए रिक्वायरमेंट है ऑडियो विजुअल टूल्स। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ ऑडियो विजुअल टूल्स। व्हाट इज ऑडियो विजुअल टूल्स? Audiovisual tools are also called instructional material. Audio literally means hearing, and visual means that which is found by seeing. And after this introduction, I'll tell you what is definition of audiovisual tools. So let's start with definition. Many authors and many writers write a different definition on this audio visual tools. So let's start with first definition. It is trainable. It is trainable motivation, comma, classification, and stimulation, process of learning. And second definition of audiovisual tools is these are sensory objectives and image which stimulates and emphasis on learning process. So that is the definition on audio visual tools. Let's start with types of audio visual tools. There are three classification of audio visual tools type. The first is audio tools, second is visual tools, third is audio visual tools. Audio tools examples are radio, tape recorder, gramophone, audio cassette player, language laboratory. Second types is visual tools example. Visual tools example are chart, black and white board, maps, picture, models, textbook, slide projector, transparency, flashcard, print material, etc. And third is audio visual tools. Audio visual tools examples are LCD project, film projector, TV, computer, VCD player, virtual classroom, multimedia, etc. These three classification types of audio visual tools that are very important and very meaningful for audio visual tools for a great presentation. Next we move on advantage and disadvantage of audio visual tools. So first start with advantage. Advantage of audio visual tools. These tools are very helpful and very grateful for a great performance and great presentation for any particular person or students. So let's start with the advantage of audio visual tools. First is it's help to make it's help to make learning process more effective and conceptual. This technique is very helpful for any particular person or any particular student to perform a very good performance, a very good presentation. If any particular student use this kind of tools or this kind of types of tools, then we improve a very great and effective and conceptual learning by any particular presentation. Second is it's help to grab the attention of student. Many colleges and many universities use this type of technique because they want to attention of any particular student and for learn more and more skills education for a great future. And third advantage is it's build build interest and motivation teaching student learning process. This advantage is very grateful advantage for any particular student. It's build interest and motivation teaching student a learning process because student see what is a faculty or what is teachers doing by any projectors, by any particular tools. So these techniques will helpful for any particular students. And fourth advantage is it enhance the energy level of teaching and students. Let's take advantage of myself. If I using this kind of audio visual tools for a particular presentation, if I use projector, if I use laptops, mobiles, tablets and projectors and laptops, then we start with any presentation with good sense of humor, with good sense of conceptual, with great desire to achieve any particular topic and any particular unit, any particular ideas. We share more and more ideas to my students and we learn more and more. So that is the very best example and very best advantage if we use audio visual tools for any particular presentation. Next advantage is it is even better for overburden classrooms. If we use the audio visual tools for particular presentation, then we reduce of more and more burdens of student. We reduce classwork, we reduce homework and enjoying the teaching process and enjoying our syllabus. Next and last advantage is it provide students a realistic approach and experience. This is the very great technique to provide a realistic approach and experiences, because we use today's technology, we use 21st century's technology. So that's why if I use this all kind of audio visual tools technique and this kind of gadgets, then we provide a very good learning process and very good education. Let's move on the next, a disadvantage of